Hello guys, today we will discuss about with the foreign key for our continuation of SQL series. So first of all, what is the foreign key? Foreign key is a relation between two tables like parent and child. So build the parent and child relationship. That is the foreign key. So relationship called as from one table to another table, we are providing the relationship. Okay, connection between the two tables, that is called as foreign key. So let's try to build the foreign key. First, I am building with the parent table like a master table. So in master table called as doctors. So in this, I will build this one. First, I will create the this uh, what we say master table created. Now I will insert some records into master table. So 6 records I have inserted. Now I will create as the child table like slave table. So drop table if exists medical records. So medical records ID int problem as the varchar. Here what I am mentioned as doctor ID varchar of 15 references to doctor's ID. So this will goes references doctor's ID called as directly it will refer to above this one doctor's ID. So this ID will touch. So doctors of ID. So doctor's table as this one doctor's table and ID as this one primary key. Now you got this one right. So in child table what I mentioned as I created as doctor ID column varchar of 15 references doctor's table name. This is the doctor's called as the table name ID as the above doctor's table column name. Okay. Now first I will create this column, this table, child table. So table is created. Now carefully observe. Now I will insert one by one record. So medical records, first record inserted. Second record inserted. Third record inserted. Now carefully observe fourth record what happened. Okay. So we get the error. What is the error? The insert statement conflicted with the foreign key constraint. So the foreign key condition is violated. So because of what is the error of this one called as if you observe with the uh, select star from doctor's table now select star from if I execute. So if you carefully observe with the doctor's table, 6 records is there. So those 6 records are D1 to D6. But if you see the medical records, the last column, doctor's ID as D7. So D7 is not available in parent table. So if parent table, the record is available, then only the child table will allow to insert the record. Otherwise, it will violate it. So that is the parent and child relationship. Now what we will do? We will insert the record into doctor's table, then we'll try. So now I am trying the inserting the record into doctor's table like the D7. So if I insert this one, record is inserted. Check the doctor's table, D7 is there. Now I will try to insert this medical records table in the child table. Okay, record is inserted. Now we will check the record. Select star from medical records, semicolon, execute. So 4 records is there. So this is the way we will try to build the relationship between one table to another table or parent to child relationship. This is called as the foreign key. For example, if I try to remove the parent table, so is it remove or not? No, it can't remove. For example, if I am trying executing this one, so could not drop object doctors because it is referenced by foreign key constraint. Okay. So directly if you are removing with the parent table means no, it is not directly removing. First you can remove with, first you can drop with the medical records. That is the child table. If you drop with the child table, so child table dropped. So there is no table. If you execute select star from medical records, there is no information. Now, if you drop with the main table, parent table, then done. So this is the process about with the foreign key, build parent and child relationship. So I will share this code in the description. Please try. Thank you for watching.